Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. As you guys know from my previous videos, I am a new mom of a beautiful 1-year-old, but what you didn't know is that I am a new stay-at-home mom. And recently I've been cleaning like crazy, more than what I'm used to cleaning, but I decided let's go ahead and just do a clean with me video. So if you guys would like to stay and get a little bit of motivation, keep watching. So around this time, it's about 11 o'clock and everybody is went to bed. Usually I stay up and I watch a little bit more TV while Jermaine and the baby is asleep, and then I try to get a little bit of cleaning done if I can. So as you've seen, typically I clean the living room first and then I make my way into the kitchen. For some reason, I prefer my living room, and that's what gets me started. Usually people say that getting the kitchen clean is the most satisfying, but for me, the living room clean is the most satisfying because that is where my family spends the most time. And then in the kitchen, we rarely in the kitchen, it's usually just me, so the kitchen is never too messed up anyway, and it's such a small kitchen. All three of us barely want to be in the kitchen at the same time. So once I get all the dishes put in and away, I go ahead and put away the food, and then I just finish cleaning up the kitchen. So I typically wash our pots with the sponge just because we feel that it gives a little bit of a better clean than the dishwasher. As you've seen, I did pre-wash the dishes, just a little swipe through with the sponge so that it will get it a little bit more. We do have an older dishwasher, so it just works better for us. Right after I clean the pots, I do go ahead and I wash out the sink. This is my most favorite part about cleaning the kitchen because I hate it so much. This gives me a little bit of happiness. This and wiping down the countertops. That's probably the only reason why I actually do it. So if you're wondering, that is just a simple Glad candle. I can't even remember the name of it. It came in 2 packs. But as you'll see, I'm actually just vacuuming out my couch. I try to do this at least twice a week because I do have a 1-year-old and she loves popcorn, so I get quite a bit of popcorn inside there. So eventually Naomi did wake up. I'm sure she just heard the vacuum going on and wanted to see what I was doing, but she didn't make too much of a fuss. She just sat there and watched me clean. So the actual goal was to get the entire table clean. Unfortunately, my camera died, so I wasn't able to get a lot, but I did get a little bit here. Okay, so I just want to show I did clean off my table. You can finally see it. I just have to put away the rest of her books and my books, and this is a full bag of books for her that she received. But so I don't know if you guys have seen or not, but she woke up, and I told you it was like 1:30. It was 12:30 when I started. She woke up about 1, and I had to stop for a minute, and thankfully her dad woke up and came and got her, and he's trying to put her to sleep, but she's still not asleep. So this is what she did. She took out his wallet and took out everything and a little bit of toys, and thankfully that's all she pulled out. change. Naomi was a little fuzzy in the room, and because Jermaine had to get up for work, I just decided to go in and put her to sleep myself. And then I came out and I just finished up this hallway, and that's just about it. So this here is just the finished result, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. See you soon. Bye.